Hello viewers, how are you all? Hope you're having a great time and enjoying the best condition of your health. I welcome you all in this new video of my channel. Today guys, in this video I'm showing you the latest and beautiful collection of short ball cut for girls and women. Today guys, these are trending these days. And the best part about this hairstyle is that they are fashionable and very easy to maintain. This style suits every face features and shape and also enhances your features and makes you look more beautiful and spectacular. Hope you guys like all the designs and ideas of the video. See you soon, stay happy and stay blessed.